Yeah, as me I say, you know enough for this, you know, we are real out and we're great. The little thing we go on between Yanique and Kitty, me, when me no want for myself, me no want for both of them. Me ask the public and Jamaica to save Kitty and Yanique on the program because me not lie, Kitty vibes up the show and Yanique smooth it off. Although me know me and Kitty have a little difference, but yo, put that aside. Me don't want nobody get fired, me don't want nothing. Although as a cartels rum, me come to promote the purple rum, the gold rum, and the white rum. It out there now, you see it. Check just right about it and you get more about it. But trust me people, me ask the public for lobby on this. No matter what we write and what we say, no matter what everybody has say and I disrespect and I say rare. It's just that as I will stay up on the media. You understand? But fear say Kitty and Yanique will get fired. Would have much more ask for an apology to the public and them sponsors and TVJ. You understand? And if we not do nothing, we can't give them a 2 week off. But we don't want that happen. We don't want Kitty get fired and we don't want Yanique get fired because they bring the vibes to the Magnum show. La 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 la. Yeah, I don't know Curvy Diva and Fluffy Diva. Take it away, it's Nuffy. Bye.